Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. Today we will share with you 5 applications that can earn you some passive income online. Yes, you heard it right. Not 1, 2, 3, but 5 applications. So if you're interested, and we know you do, watch until the end. But before going further into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Friends, we will show you 5 different apps that you can start using today. And they are all focused on one thing. They give you passive money without investing. I highly recommend that you watch every second of this video and don't waste a minute. And to watch them again and again to figure out all the crucial details. Remember, the more apps you use, the more money you earn. With all these 5 apps, we'll show you in today's video you can earn $1,000 or more per day. The first app that we will show you today is called Dollarclix.com. Visit Dollarclix.com and fill out some quick surveys to get money from the site. After you've done your tasks and surveys, they will pay you via PayPal, Visa, bank transfer, wire transfer, or gift cards like Tango, Amazon, and etc. And different payment methods like Bitcoin, ATM, and Gcash. The Dollarclix.com site is one of our favorites because it brings together many partners in one place. Offer Wall, One Ads, Persona.li, Peanut Labs, AdWall, and more are listed on their site. They are all well-known and publicly traded organizations that provide core work and research. Again, this is the most popular paid service community, and you can register by your phone by visiting Dollarclix.com and downloading the app. You can find more than 4,800 active members here. They log into the app every day and start earning passive income. Over 2 million have been paid to all, and over 500,000 different gift cards have been sent. You can choose from over 25 other offer wall partners to run and start earning from this app. Now we will show you the complete withdrawal and the payment confirmation without delay. For example, Bankwire, Bitcoin, Tango and Visa cards, Amazon gift cards, and PayPal money are all listed here. You'll see all available usernames, payment options, and total earnings when we scroll down. For example, you might see $4, $27, $55, or even $100 here. You can get to the bottom of the page where over 3,000 pages of proof of payment from different accounts. As you can see here, one of the members from Brazil scored 10 points. There are also members from the United States and other countries. This man got $3.40 through PayPal. As you can see below, they have members from Indonesia, Africa, Bangladesh, Malaysia, and India, and members from the Philippines. All this is available in every country. Now let me show you how to create a free account. Please check the registration button when you visit Dollarclix.com. You will immediately get 10 extra points by copying the registration. Just enter your first and last name, username, password, and email address. Then click I am not a robot to accept the terms and privacy policy. It's as easy as clicking the sign up button. The second app for today is called the Big Ticket Commission, and it's actually the first automated high ticketing system in the world. This all-new web-based application generates high ticket sales and hot consumer traffic in less than 60 seconds. Big ticket commissions are focused on high ticket sales, meaning each ticket can cost $1,000 to purchase. The best part of the software is it does everything for you and instantly sends free traffic and clicks to your referral link. Generally, system setup takes 15 minutes and 3 simple procedures with step-by-step instructions. First, you need to enter your affiliate link. In the second step, you can activate the free built-in traffic. The third step is to sit down, relax, and do business. Many people, even beginners, use the same approach to make bulk purchases online. As you can see, $995 yesterday is $1,700 today. We've been using big ticket commission for a long time. We use it on our old account, but we created a new one to double check. As you can see, today's price is $12. Yesterday's price was $120, and the last 7 days' price is $500. Although we don't earn $1,000 a day, $100, $200, or $500 is still big money, especially when it comes to passive income. Now for the third application, we will look at the Honeygain application. Just go to honeygain.com, a software that makes passive income easy. It's just a straightforward idea. The site says that with Honey Profit, you can earn by sharing your internet connection. This software is something that you can put on your phone, and it is also a free service. With Honeygain, you can start earning online in minutes. Just install the app at your service, create a free account, sit back, and check your balance to earn passive income easily. The first step is to configure the system. Now you want to download a completely free app for any device. You can also connect it online. You can do this on your phone, iPad, computer, or a laptop. Step 2. After connecting your device to the internet, accept the Run Honeygain command. Usually their goal is to share the internet with others, but rest assured they don't have access to any of your personal information. When you start using Honeygain, they will begin sharing the speed of your internet and website with people around the world. Finally, by doing so, you can earn passive income without doing any other work. Just turn on any device and share your internet connection, and voila! Nothing to do but get paid. Their website offers attractive features that allow you to estimate your primary income. As you can see, internet traffic and the speed you share depend on the number of devices. Honeygain suggests 3 different devices to use. Here you can change the amount of data transferred: 2 GB, 5 GB, 8 GB, 11 GB, etc. As you can see, you can drag and drop any of these points here. You can also carry indicators on daily content delivery and display your expected monthly result. Now this site is not very profitable, but the good news is that it is entirely passive money. Again, you can download honeygain.com by clicking any blue buttons on the free personal website below. Next is One Page Profit, the fourth application. For 300 free commissions, this is the fastest and easiest development globally. Typically, the plug-and-play currency page gives you 24/7 sales. You can use One Page Profit to create daily commissions. Again, this technology will help you drive your autopilot commissions in 2 easy steps. To get started, enter your partner ID. You can start by using free One Page Profit traffic system. Once you copy and paste your affiliate link into the system, you can start earning daily passive income with a simple copy and paste. You don't have to create videos, make products, or build lists. If you use One Page Profit, you don't even have to do social media marketing, blogging, or content marketing. Now let's move on to the last app called Slidejoy. GetSlidejoy.com is the place to start. This application is free to download on any other device such as your phone or tablet. Once you have the app installed on your phone, it will start displaying various advertisements on your phone's home screen or lock screen. As you can see, there are ads for shoes and clothes. If you want to ignore the ads, just swipe right to go back to the home screen. By installing this free app on your phone and allowing them to show ads on your phone, you don't have to do anything and can immediately start earning passive income even if you're sleeping or using your phone. The reason companies like Slidejoy are willing to pay you to advertise in the hope that if you're interested in any of them, you'll buy something someday. They charge you a monthly fee to allow all these different ads to appear on your phone. They work for some of the most well-known entirely legal companies. You can withdraw your funds through your PayPal account. You can get it through the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. This app is entirely free service. You just need to make sure you have downloaded the right software. That's our video for today. We hope you like it. So what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? You can share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. We love to read about them. Well, that will be all for now. Join us again in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips on achieving your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.